Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we want to show you this STARTRC hard case for this DJI Avata 2. I just received this from STARTRC. As you can see, this hard case very solid, and then the lock is very nice. So you can see inside the box, they have a lot of storage component. So here can store 4 battery, and then this is for a battery charging hub, motion control tree, and then this is for filter, this is for goggle tree, and then this is for aircraft and props, and then other accessory. Here is for this remote control tree, and then here for this charger, and they come with this strap to carry your hard case. So very details that the component storage part. They got 2 versions. One is Chinese version, and then one is English version. So this is STARTRC. So I'll show you that keep all that part into this hard case. So this is all propellers. There's a spare propellers you can put inside here. And then there's a propellers tools, opening propellers tools, that dioptics lens, and then USB-C to A cable. We all can keep inside it the extend foam pad for this head track. So USB cable you can put inside here with the charger if you have the charger, or you can just keep here. And then the aircraft, so you can remove the battery because they have a lot of compartment here. So here it is battery you can put. You can store up to 4 battery, and then here you can keep your battery charging hub. For the remote motion control tree, so just put inside here. And then this goggle tree, just keep like this. So if you have a anti-filter, you can keep inside this slot here. And then here, if you have this remote control tree, also can put inside here. So this is what this hard case can be stored for this DJI Avata 2. Very good storage, a lot of compartment, so you can keep a lot of accessory inside here with only one hard case. Very secure, the lock. Very good quality. Currently, we bought from this Taobao China website. So I will put the link on the description below. If you want to purchase, if you know there's a Chinese version, so you can go to their website to buy, or maybe other website you can search for Google website. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next upcoming video.